Sometimes we need to clean our TVs. There's dust, fingerprints, and sometimes stuff just like, what the hell is that? So in this video, I'm going to tell you what to do and what definitely not to do. So let's start with what not to do, and then we can go on the things to do. So you need to avoid household cleaners, things like multi-purpose spray, window cleaner, polish. Just stop it now. The reason is TVs have things like anti-reflective coats and other things on them to make the picture better and to do other functions. So using chemicals will wear that down and even dull the glass. And while we're there, only use a microfiber cloth. A lot of fabrics and things like kitchen roll can leave very, very minor scratches. And that might not be a major issue initially, but over the lifetime of the TV, that is slowly gonna wear the screen down, and it's going to affect the picture by dulling the glass. Lastly, avoid running a cloth under a tap and just going to town. Firstly, we don't want excessive liquid on the screen for obvious reasons, but also tap water is a no-no. Ever seen a window after it getting wet from a hose and it leaving those tiny little marks? That's residue from all of the stuff in tap water, and that can wear down and dull your screen. So what should we do? Firstly, if the screen is just dusty, we can wipe it down with a dry microfiber cloth. Make sure to do all of the bezels and the back if you can too. Dust buildup can cause issues internally over time, so it is worth dusting it regularly. You can also use a can of compressed air to get dust out of the difficult areas if you want to too. Then we have more difficult dirt. So if a dry cloth just isn't doing the job and you got fingerprints or other marks on the screen, you can use some electric screen wipes. Now I use Whoosh. They're not sponsoring the video, but it's just what I use. So they can clean your screen without any chemicals that might damage it. You can use these on areas of the screen that need cleaning, or just do the whole thing. Then you can use a dry microfiber cloth to dry the screen and remove any streaks or smears. Now what is good is that these wipes can be used for anything like a tablet or a laptop. And also, think about it, your smartphone, that goes everywhere with you. Probably worth cleaning it. So guys, I hope that this was helpful, and I've put links in descriptions to anything you might need to get started. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Woo!